Here is the towel bar, the dryer bar, what I'm gonna fix to the wall. I purchased it in Range. It was around £11, and the brand is, I'm not sure it's a brand, but it says Bain. Anyway, how it works. First of all, you need to remove the middle bit, because the screws will go in these two little holes. But for that, you need to measure where you're gonna put it. Have a pencil and just pencil the circle around. Roughly measured, it should be straight. We did hang down a towel, so not to reach the other bar. So this towel and this towel will dry separately, because if it hangs over, they cover each other, and between them it will stay moisty and smelly, okay? So, as you see, we circled it all the way around. The next step, we remove the middle bit, and removing the middle bit, you need to unscrew this little screw here with, what is this?
Allen key.
With an Allen key. Alright. Okay, so Allen key in. There we go. Okay, so now we have this here. Remember how it was there? So it's upside down. It was like this. If I take it off, I've got a vertical and the horizontal line for the holes. So I put it roughly in the middle of that circle what I penciled up on the wall. And with the other pencil I put one cross here, one cross here. I usually always get a screw and a hammer, put it on one of the cross and make the starting hole for the drill. So the drill head, we're not gonna slip all around, we go exactly right there. What is included in the box? The little Allen key, the row plugs and the screws. So I've got one of the row plugs. I put it next to my drill head, put my nail just a little bit underneath, so I know this will be the length, how far I need to go. Then I get a piece of electric tape and just put it right here at the bottom, so I know this deep I need to drill in. That's it. That's it. Next, row plugs in. 1, 2, yes. So as you can see, they're hanging out a little bit, so I need to put them a little bit deeper. How are you gonna remove a row plug? Put the screw in, screw it in a little bit, then just pull it out. Okay, other one, screw in, bring it out. Another little trick, isn't it? Row plug in, perfectly matches. So, okay, so the row plugs in. Next, screw. Okay. So the next part, you need to remember which side was the horizontal and the vertical line. Place it here. One screw in, it's holding it. Next screw in, holding it. Screw in, screw in. So, as you can see, the length, you can move it a little bit up or down, a little bit left or right at the end. Okay, so now we just screw it in. So both of them ready. We can place the bars on top. Okay, and we need the Allen key and screw those tiny screws in. This takes time. I'm telling you honestly, it wasn't the easiest thing to do, but not the end of the world. And it's on, yeah? There you go. Bang, bang. Please subscribe to the channel. Ask anything, comment anything. The cameraman and the helper and the other cameraman and the other worker. Okay? Cha-ching!